is the last match. Barangay Tubli and the hometown Barangay Bilapiga. First good position by unang pukol, unang pasok on a 2-point shot. Number 9, Buenos. Trapping the ball. To assist ilalim. Payang number 23. Fight to shoot. Buenos on a 3-point shot. Sasalasot na abot yun. Number 1. To assist again. It's 2-11. Ang lapit-lapit na, nakakapos pa rin. Temperature by number 7. Mayatol Campo ang Barangay Tubling. At syempre magandang gabi sa ating Barangay Council sa Barangay Tubling. This is another violation by number 4, Persia. Del Barrio to Pasakay. Del Barrio number 2. Unang supalpal by number 00. Villegas on a 3-point shot. May nagkuwang foul by number 1 is a pushing foul. By Cortuna number 1.
Mag-ingat ka mo! Oh. Amay-an.
Huevos number 9. This is another error from the Barangay Tubli. Del Barrio. Villegas attacks. May sabit na namang kalapit na nakita ng ating referee. A foul commission by number 14, Palero. First personal foul from the team Tubli. To assist Villegas. To follow up again by Del Barrio. Buenos number 7, Tony Campos. Sasalaksak si Allen. Bagoy-bagoy, nakawan pa rin. May bagoy-bagoy. May nakuwang foul by number 7 sa holding foul. Bagoy-bagoy. To assist si Allen. Kung kailan malapit na malapit